Presenting the Sigma Contemporary lens for Canon cameras. This hyper-telephoto zoom lens with maximum portability meets utmost image quality in a variable aperture. It is essential for birding, wildlife and motor photography. The maximum focal length of the lens is 600 mm. It boasts updated Sigma technology such as optimized hypersonic motor and a new optical stabilizer with an accelerometer for improved panning photography both vertically and horizontally. It is compatible with Canon EF mount. This S-zoom lens is used for long-reach photography. This lightweight and compact in structure provides a higher usability. The new zoom lock switch that can be locked at any focal length and a new manual override switch are incorporated for improved focusing control. The Sigma USB dock. This lens allows for maximum customization such as firmware updates and adjustments to the focus limiter, AF speed and OS view. The custom mode switch in the device helps in further customization on the dedicated lenses. Water and oil repellent coating on front glass element makes maintenance of the lens surface easier. It comes with a dustproof and splash-proof mount. The product comes with a dimension of 25.91 into 10.41 into 10.41 cm. It has a filter size of 95 mm with a minimum aperture of 6.3. The minimum focal length of the lens is 150 mm. The box includes a lens, hood, front cap, rear cap and a case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.